Morning all of you, my dear 5th class students. Today discuss about new chapter, that is factors and multiples, from your course book volume 2. So everybody open page number 14 beta. First today we discuss about multiples. Means multiple. What is meant by multiple? A number obtained multiplying a number by other is called multiple. Once again, a number obtained. Obtained means here got getting. Obtained, got. A number obtained multiplying a number by another means another number is called multiple. See here, everybody write down. A number obtained by multiplying a number by another is called as multiple. See here, a number obtained by multiplying a number by other number is called as multiple. See, for example, we have to take 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Here 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, so and so on are multiples of 4. Do you understand? See here, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, like that one. See here, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, like that only are called multiples of 4. So everybody write down. Now next factors. What is meant by factors? A number that divides another number. A number that divides another number without remainder. Without remainder means remainder is equals to 0. Is called a factor of that number. See here, a number that divides by another number without remainder is called factor. Or the numbers that are multiplied are factors. The numbers that are multiplied are factors. See here, we have to take one example. For example, 6 is divided by 2. See, 2 is taking wise division, 6 is taking wise divided, 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 you can get 0. Here, 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Write down everybody. See here, listen carefully everybody. Now the numbers that are multiplied are factors. already I said. See here, for example, in the multiplication, four fives are 20. 20 is the multiple of 4 and 5 beta. See here in the multiplication 4 5s are 20. Here 20 is the multiple of 4 and 5. All the numbers, listen carefully. All the numbers that are divisible by 4 are called multiples of 4. See here, 4 and 5 divide 20 with remainder 0. With a 0 remainder. So 4 and 5 are the factors of 20. Did you understand? See here, 4 into 5 you can get 20 beta. Here 20 is the multiple of 4 and 5. 4 and 5. See here, all the numbers that are divisible by 4, no? All the numbers that are divisible by 4 are called multiples of 4. 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8. 8 is divisible by 4. 4 2 the 8. Here 4 and 2 are called multiples of 8. Eyes below eyes. 4 and 5 divided by 20. Means 20 divided by 4 and also 20 divided by 5. 4 5s are 20 and also 5 4s are 20. With remainder 0. With remainder 0. Means here any number that divides by another number with remainder 0 is called factors. Did you understand? Now I have to take 20 is divided by 4. 4 5s are 20. Then here 5 and 4 are called factors of for that number. Means factors of 20. 4 and 5 divide 20 with 0 remainder. Means remainder 0. 20 is divided by 4. 4 5s are 20. Here 4 and 5 are called factors of 20. Write down there. carefully. Let us find the factors and multiples of few numbers. See here, 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24. Look at the blackboard, everybody. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24. So on. Here multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, etc. See here, all numbers that are divisible by 6. Divisible is nothing but divided. Are multiples of 6. See here, now we can find out factors. Listen carefully. See now I am taking one example. Write first 5 multiples of 5. See here, write first 5 multiples of 5. See here, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. See, look at the blackboard. Write first 5 multiples of 5. Then you can write 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 are the multiples of 5. So therefore the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. See here, Note. Multiples are infinite number of, unlimited. Did you? Multiples are unlimited. 5 5s are 20, 5 5 6 are 20, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 11s are 55, 5 12s are 60. Okay, 5 13s are 65, 5 14s are 70. Did you understand? 5 15s are 75, like that only. So the multiples are not ended. Ippudu kuda multiples end kavu. So many number of a number having infinite multiples. See here, now next factors. Listen carefully. See here, what is factor? A number that divides by another number is called a factor of for that number. Here without remainder. Remainder is 0. See, now I am writing here, find all the factors of 6. So first one table is 1 6 are 6. Solution 1 6 are 6. Next 2 table reads 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Next next 3 2s are 6. Next 4 possible, not possible. 5 possible, not possible. Again 6 1s are 6. See here, the factors of 6 are 6 factors here, 1 2 3 and 6. The number that are multiplied are called factors. See here, 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6. Look at the blackboard. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So 6 is taking as dividend and 2 is taking as divisor. 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 6 0. Then here 2 and 3 are called factors of for that number. See here. So you can write 2 into 3. Again you can get 6. Then 2 and 3 are called factors of 6. 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Here 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 and 6 are called factors of 6. How many factors? How many number of factors are there for 6? 4 factors. 1 2 3 4 factors. So here factors are countable. Factors are countable, but multiples are not countable. So many number of, but factors are countable. Write down everything. The factors of 6 are 1 2 3 and 6. Now next, completed. Is nothing but tables, multiplication tables, factors and tables. Now next, find all the factors of 12. See here, See, same solution. 1 12s are 12. Okay. 2 table. 2 6s are 12. 3 table. 12 is divided by 3. Where 3 4s are 12. Next 4 3s are 12. Reverse. 3 4s are 4 3s are 12. Next 5 not possible. 6 2s are 12. Next 12 1s are 12. Did you understand? See. Once again observe. 1 12s are 12. 1 is a common factor of every number. 1 is a common factor of every number. See here. 1 12s are 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 table. 3 table. 3 4s are 12. 4 table. 4 3s are 12. Reverse. 4 3s are 12. Next 5 not possible. 6 2s are 12. Next 7 not possible. 8 not possible. 9 not possible. 10 not possible. 11 not possible. Next 12 ones are 12. Therefore, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Write down everybody. Write first 3 multiples of 18. Here multiples means you can write 18 table. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. Did you understand? Write first 3 multiples of 18. So you can write 18 table for 3 multiples. First 3 multiples. See here. Multiples of 18 are 18, 36 and 54. Next, write the multiples of 18 7. See here. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. So and so on. See here, did you understand? Write the multiples of 7. So the multiples are not ended, uncountable. Then you can write so and so. See here. Therefore, the multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. So and so means etc. Right. Now next, find all the factors of 18. Look at the blackboards. 1 18s are 18. Next 2 table. 2 9s are 18. 3 6s are 18. 4 possible? Not possible. 5 possible? Not possible. Again. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 9 2s are 18. 18 ones are 18. 18 ones are 18. Therefore, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Right. Okay, beta, today your class is completed. Thank you to all.